Hi, I'm Ben from 4x4AT, and in today's video I'm just going to talk about the Steeler front bar with axle bars. So this is how you receive the Steeler front bar with axle bars. It will come with this fitting kit, but you'll need two different types of bracket depending on the vehicle you have. So if you have the new Ranger 23 or Amarok 23, you will require this style of bracket. It has an S kink in it. So one bolt goes through there into the chassis, and then you'll see these two holes on the side. They come down into the side of the bar and a bolt into the side of the bar like so. So that comes with two of those that's required for that vehicle. If you have a Raptor, the new shape Raptor 23, you have, again, more of like a flatter L-shaped bracket with less of a kick in it compared to the other. This flat face is mounted to the bar, and this top face is mounted up into the vehicle chassis frame, and that's again bolts between those 2 points and sits up into the tray of the vehicle. So they're the two different types depending on which vehicle you have, so make sure when you're ordering them on the website you're ordering for the correct model.